I have to get our latest RV Life upgrade installed, all while keeping a major secret from Ash. We're Diego and Ash, and this week is packed. Not only are we installing new SuperSpring products, look how sad this little bump stop is compared to this.
What?
But we're also celebrating Ash's 30th birthday. Happy birthday to you! Checking off a few bucket list adventures while here in Wyoming as well. And let me tell you, this week did not disappoint. We hit the trails in Grand Teton and hiked up to Inspiration Point at sunset and ended up witnessing some of the most incredible wildlife we've ever seen. This is insane. This is everything I've ever wanted. I could die happy now. Including our very first bear in the wild. But just when we thought our longest week had finally come to an end, we came home to an RVer's worst nightmare.
It's my birthday and we just got home and there's water everywhere. I mean everywhere.
Let me just tell you guys how crazy our week has been. Okay, we are exhausted. We worked 11 days straight, hosted my in-laws for 4 days, did all the fun things that the Tetons has to offer. And now I have half a day to install our latest SumoSprings upgrade before we have to pick up Ashland's surprise.
You didn't say anything about a surprise.
That's the point of a surprise.
Okay, so I know we're in a bit of a time crunch, but I'm so excited to shout out our one and only member of the Wannabe Insiders, Leslie.
Thank you so much, Leslie, for supporting us and being a Wannabe Insider.
If you want to be like Leslie and be a Wannabe Insider, well, let me just tell you what you'll get. You'll get loyalty badges stating how long you've been a Wannabe Insider. You'll get custom emojis. I'm still working on those, by the way. And most importantly, you'll get early access to all of our videos. Plus, you'll get a cool shout out just like this.
And if you're wondering, why does it matter for you to have early access to our videos? Well, in next week's video, we're doing our second giveaway, which means right now, Leslie is the only person that will have early access to our videos. So she'll get to see exactly what we're giving away first and enter that giveaway first before anybody else.
So be like Leslie and be a Wannabe Insider.
Last year, we installed SuperSpring International's medium density SumoSprings, and I called it the best $300 upgrade you could do for your tow vehicle. And I still stand by that. If you have a truck that you tow with and you want to address sag, this is the most cost-effective, low-maintenance way to address that problem. So what's changed? These SumoSprings have done a fantastic job, but we're excited to continue our partnership with our first ever sponsor. So to continue this partnership, we reached out to the team at SuperSprings International and told them all about our plans to go to Baja, our plans to add a big upgrade in the bed of the truck that'll help us on travel days. And they sent over these parts that they feel will help us out best and achieve our goals.
I love our DIY days because, guys, you already know that I don't have to do anything. He doesn't want me doing nothing, and I don't want to do nothing.
So what's the difference in how this works versus this guy? Well, your SuperSpring works when there's active weight on top of it. That means that if there's no weight, it's really not going to do anything for you other than provide support when you're going over speed bumps or road gaps or anything like that. While the SuperSpring SSA4 provides constant support at all times. This piece of equipment will always be engaged, which will help us out with the additional weight we plan on putting in the bed of our truck. So I know on the other side of the truck, I didn't really go into exactly how to install this. That's because I'd like to figure out how to install parts off camera before I show you. To do this side, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to do it. Place block over stock leaf springs. Note the direction and side that should face outward. Insert your first roller and bolt. Use a C-clamp to bring your rear shackle into place. Insert your second roller and bolt. Lastly, place in your bump stop and feed in your bolts. And just like that, we're ready to move on to the front. Okay guys, I have been at this for over an hour now, and these Sumo coil springs are just not going on. I did reach out to support. They let me know that they make different thickness sizes, and apparently this one just isn't the right size. They might send us over some more. We might not even need them. We're gonna see how it goes, but for now, I have removed the old bump stop, which, come on, look at this. Look how sad this little bump stop is compared to this.
What?
Yeah.
I don't even know what a bump stop is, but that's just sad.
That's insane. So this is going to provide us more support, much like the SumoSprings did in the rear that we replaced, and I'm really excited to put them on.
For those of you wanting to do your own suspension upgrade, I will put a QR code here on the screen, and those of you who are online or on your phones, I'll put a link in the description below.
That took half a day, kind of like I predicted, but I'm really excited that this got done this week, because next week this should set us up for complete success going boondocking. And now all that's left to do is torque everything down to spec and go pick up Ashlyn's surprise.
Last night, Diego surprised me with my best friend flying into town for my 30th birthday. So we're gonna go pick them up. They're staying at our sister property, Snake River Cabins, and we're gonna go to my favorite coffee shop in Jackson Hole, Persephone Coffee, and then we have another big surprise planned.
Turquoise puppies.
Yeah. This is my,
Okay, sorry, I thought we were already recording.
We are. This is my friend Bailey. She came all the way from Houston to celebrate my birthday.
Speak up.
She came all the way from Houston to celebrate my birthday. We're both horse girls at heart.
How long y'all known each other?
Oh yeah.
I don't
know, forever?
Forever and ever.
Yeah, forever.
Forever and ever.
Forever.
To live next to each other.
Oh yeah.
Cross fields.
Across
She would,
across the field.
She would cross the barbed wire fence to get to my house.
As a wee lass.
Oh yeah, we were in Girl Scouts till like 10th grade. We
Yeah.
did all the things together. Bailey went through her emo phase.
Oh, thank you. I did.
I did
You
not
had
go
an
through
emo
any-
face?
She did. Black hair and everything.
Yeah.
No
Wear
way.
the
Do you have a
band
photo?
tees and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll put a photo here.
We have made it to Willow Creek horseback rides, and if you stay at Alpine, not only will you get to see us, but you also get to whitewater raft and do these trips like this, which combining the two gets you a 10% discount.
Okay, we're super stoked because apparently we're doing the best ride that they have to offer. It's the Teton View lunch ride. So we get a lunch with the view. I mean, the view's already great. Look at
Yeah.
that. And a bunch of the guides stay at Alpine, so we've already met our guide Emma several times, and we're so excited to have her take us on this trip.
You want to hold it right under the knot, straight up like an ice cream cone. You want to go left, pull to the left. You want to go right, pull to the right. If you want to stop, just pull straight back to your belly button, and let's stop. If you hold it there, they will start to back up. Just don't panic. Everything will be okay. Just put your hand forward, release the pressure, and they will immediately stop.
So
Are you feeling nervous?
I'm a little nervous. Yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've been on a horse.
Looking good, baby.
Feeling great.
Yeah?
This is my boy Rhino. I don't know if you can see him.
Yeah, I can see right now.
He be snacking. He's a thick boy. He's 17 years old.
Damn.
Slow as can be.
This is Blue. I have no idea how old he is. I keep trying to ask if I could gallop with him, and they said I would fall, so
He's fast.
here we are.
I must say he's fast.
I'm also at the back of the line.
So no galloping for you.
Am I a liability? Who's to say? We are officially coming over this ridge. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. What's it look like? Oh, damn. Holy hell. Talk about lunch with a view. So this next portion of the trip is pretty much all downhill, is that correct?
That is super correct. It's gonna be kind of steep. We're gonna want to lean back.
Okay, all right. I'll do the best I can. We had a blast on our horseback riding tour.
Yeah,
Remember, if you're gonna book it, book the lunch with the Teton view. It was amazing. And request Emma as your tour guide. She was phenomenal. We're gonna explore Jackson a little bit, show our little Texans around, and then dinner at the Silver Dollar and some dancing at the $1 Million Cowboy.
I saw that. That sounds.
Yeah, you take a bite.
Yeah, man. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashlyn. Happy birthday to you. 30.
Make this go away. I need a top shelf drink to set me straight and a little bit of honey to make this go away.
Okay, last night was a blast. I was a designated driver. Everybody got home safely, and today's starting off a lot earlier than we intended because yesterday we found out that Eric and Bailey have never whitewater rafted. Good morning, man. How you doing? So we're taking them to do that today. Also, I can't stress this enough. If you're ever thinking about starting RV life, I highly recommend starting with camp hosting. If you're not sure how to do it, Facebook groups, work camping jobs, they're all over the place. But do your research. Find a place that's going to give you benefits for you and your friends. Like I said, we went above and beyond to find Alpine. We make sure that they gave us a free site, pay, laundry, and it includes free whitewater rafting and free horseback riding. So you guys scared at all?
No.
I don't know, Bailey.
Yeah, look. I ain't scared of nothing, really didn't come from nothing.
Oh shit!
Speed! Yes!
I'm going head under.
I ain't scared of nothing, really didn't come from nothing. Boys and they the same.
How we doing, guys? Your first whitewater rafting experience, what do you think?
I would blast.
All right.
It's a little chilly.
I've warmed up now.
Yeah.
Well, as always, that was a blast. But something I didn't expect in Wyoming was the amount of Mexican population that's here. And Alpine has a phenomenal burrito. We're gonna show that to our friends now. But if you're ever in Alpine, check out La Tienda Mexicana.
You don't have to do it.
What?
Come on.
We're YouTubers. It is what it is. ¿Cómo estamos, Vito? Sí, pueden dar.
Vecino, tus tamales.
¿Puede dar un burrito de al pastor con todo?
Claro que sí.
Y otro burrito de asada con todo.
Okay.
Y... Michael, you don't want a beer?
No.
Okay.
They get beers?
Yeah. A mí me da una Fanta y esta coca. Y es todo.
This weekend has been full of so many adventures, and I'm so blessed that my friends get to be here for my 30th birthday. Diego has done an exceptional job of planning all the things down to the T. But this weekend is not over yet. I bet if you've been following along, you probably could have guessed that we're going on a hike now. There's no way that he would let me get through this weekend without going on a hike, pushing myself, and trying something new. So we're picking up our friends right now. If you've been following along this whole video, we horseback rode yesterday, whitewater rafted this morning. Now we're going on an epic hike.
We're back in the park, guys, with our friends, and we're hiking up to Inspiration Point.
We started at String Lake instead of Jenny Lake because the incline is much less, thank
Right.
the Lord.
If I have my understandings correct.
It should be about 6 miles there and back total.
Yeah,
right?
there and back, about 2 hours back, and then this has been also the more like scenic hike we've done so far, right out of the gate.
Like the whole first 10-15 minutes have been nothing but the Tetons, the iconic peaks. So
Yeah, so highly
mean,
recommended.
yeah.
Also, we're supposed to see a lot of wildlife in this, and that's what I brought this big boy for.
So wish us luck on that because Diego wants to see a bear real bad.
Real bad. Did you just see that?
I just got the tail end of that, and a little fox had a rabbit or something in its mouth right in our midst.
It's like, okay, I'm just
What the hell?
Oh my god, we thought it was a dog, and we were like, oh well, and then we were like, ah!
Yeah.
That was so crazy.
Holy shit.
I couldn't even speak. I
We
was
were too stunned.
like, she was too stunned to speak.
The group is shook.
This has been already so insane. 2 more deers, 2 more wildlife, and incredible.
He's old enough to be away from his mom.
No, he's not.
There's people on the other side.
We just saw a bear.
Yeah, they're clapping.
We're like not even 10 minutes in, I swear. Okay, we're a mile in.
Hey, bear.
You took 10 minutes for a run? That's good.
I don't know.
I could not talk. I was like, oh.
I feel like I should throw. I don't like this. Oh no, no, no.
Oh my god, she's beautiful. Yeah, that was awesome.
Baby, how do you feel?
That was crazy to walk up on.
Hey, bear. This is insane. This is everything I've ever wanted. I could die happy now.
Yeah.
The mama bear could get me right now. I'd be okay.
Stop, please don't say that. Look at him go. You think that's a grizzly or a black bear?
Pretty sure it's a grizzly. Okay, we've officially gone 1.92 miles, and I think this is going to be one of those hikes where all the elevation is in the last mile.
Yeah, for sure. It's feeling straight up now.
Yeah.
And we're screaming because we're right next to a freaking epic waterfall.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but oh my gosh, this hike has been incredible. None of the footage we've captured is doing it justice, I feel like, but most importantly, the wildlife has been insane, guys. This is incredible.
This has been the best hike yet. This is more than we could have ever asked for.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
You guys, we are up here. 7,200 feet of elevation. We did a total of, hold on, I'm sorry, I should have had this ready for y'all. 2.76 miles and 486 feet of elevation again. That is all trails though, and all trails tends to be slightly off every single time. But Ashlyn did great. We saw so much wildlife, so many chipmunks, so many what I believe are marmots, but I could be wrong. And now the only thing that would make this day even better is seeing a moose on the way out of the park, because I know my buddy Eric wants to see a moose, so I'm hoping we get to do that. But even if we don't, we're gonna go get some food because we're starving.
This weekend was absolutely incredible. I feel so genuinely blessed to have friends fly all the way from Texas.
No.
What?
No.
What?
Look at the water.
No.
Look at the water.
What do you mean? What water?
No.
Oh my God. Oh, baby, slow down. Oh my God.
Get out.
Oh God, go. Oh my God. Oh, this isn't happening. Oh God, oh God.
Turn the water off.
What do we do?
Turn the water off.
Okay.